go. You guys ready to go?
Are you ready? We are green flag on the Walker Derby, Brian. They are ready to get the rock and roll music going.
Miss Piggy and Thor up in front.
Mayhem on the back stretch, Brian.
Arthur Willard.
Brian, I heard this will be a short 5-lap event.
Short event. That's the third onward. Of course. Here's your leader, Miss Piggy. Thor in second, now third. Fourth, follows
Pit, turn 4.
that's it. Miss Piggy clearing the way. Miss Piggy, get a little traffic. Still just doing circles by himself.
Here it is. Last lap. White flag's out. Fireworks are out.
So literally you got a crash test for only trouble.
Here she comes. Round turn 3 to 4.
Give it up for your winner right there. This or Mr. Piggy, I don't know. Woo!
Unbelievable.
This Piggy with the big W tonight. We made it through. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. What a night. I'm glad we made that through. No one got hit by lightning except for 5 Bibles out of close one out there.